This video is on cheap auto insurance rates by state or zip code. I did a Google search on this topic and I got over 36 million results. I actually did two searches on this topic because the first one by state or zip code, I didn't find much information on that. So I modified the search just a little bit and made it cheap auto insurance rates by state, and I did find a little bit more information on that. We'll scroll down and look at the information we found on this one. This has also alternative searches for cheap auto insurance rates by state. And then if we look at the results on the original search here, you'll see these, and down here the alternative searches for cheap auto insurance rates by state or zip code. Let's take a look at the first tab here. This is from Forbes magazine. It has the top 10 highest and the top 10 lowest states for auto insurance rates. The 10 states the study determined as having the highest annual auto insurance rates were Louisiana at number 1, and then Oklahoma, Michigan, West Virginia, Washington, D.C., Montana, Rhode Island, Wyoming, California, and at number 10, Georgia with $1,696 annually. And then if we scroll down on the article, these are the 10 states which residents tend to pay the lowest rates for car insurance, and Maine was number 1 at $889. Iowa number 2, 3 Wisconsin, 4 Idaho, 5 North Carolina, 6 Vermont, 7 Ohio, 8 South Carolina, 9 New Hampshire, and number 10 Arizona at 1,176. And if you scroll down, you get a little more information, and it has some things that you may also like. The next tab is from abcnews.com. Car insurance, are you in a high cost zip code? Now, where you live determines your auto insurance, because if you live in a high crime area where there's a lot of vandalism of automobiles or auto theft, that's going to be considered a high risk area, and that's going to cost you more insurance. So that's one of the reasons why they ask you where your car is going to be insured at. And you can go and read this article. If you want to read any of these articles on your own, just make a note of the URL in the address bar and you can go right to them there. The next tab here is from PR Web, and it's carinsurance.com. Noisy neighbor tool exposes auto insurance rates by zip code, and this is their article here. The different areas where car insurance is higher. And then the next tab here is from Business Insider. Drivers are ignoring the simple things that could hurt their insurance rates the most, and you can read that. All this time the drivers have fussed over whether the color and the cost of their cars would bump up the insurance premium. They've been missing one of the factors that matter most, their zip code. You can also read that article on your own. Just make a note of the URL in the bar there. And then this is from carinsurancecomparison.com, U.S. rates for car insurance. And it has some interesting information here as well. This has been a video on cheap auto insurance rates by state or zip code. I hope this helps you out and have a great day. Bye-bye.